Hello everyone. Welcome everyone to our weekly overview this week. The last week was good when it comes to the weekly overview. It was amazing when it comes to the scalp. Maybe it was one of the best week for the scalp. The market was giving us everything fast. Make sure always to do the combination. The beauty in this MNS Arabic, which is in English and Arabic, is that we have a combination of two systems, which are the swing trade and the scalp. So people who are not able to follow up the scalp, they will be able to follow the swing. People who are not able to follow the swing, they will follow the scalp. And people who are able to do this both, they will have double income. So من هيك نحن عندنا هذا الادفانتج الحلو بهيدي الجروب، انه عندنا السكالب واللي كتير ناجحين فيه، وعندنا السكالب كمان عم بيكون كتير ناجحين فيه، تنقدر نكون عم نستفيد منه، وانتم كمان تكونوا عم تقدروا تستفيدوا منه بشكل كتير كبير. So let's start this week from the calendar. As you can see here, this week, what do we have this week? Oh, this is the non-farm payroll week, guys. NFP on Friday, ADP non-farm on Thursday. Nice. Euro German Premium CPI for Euro all day. It will be all day, not Veda. Australian CPI also. Okay, starting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we will have a good move, more activity on the Euro. Australian AUD. Let's see, RBI Governor will speak. It will be on Wednesday also. So, nice week so far. We will have here on the daily for the US 30, we have this support. Look at this reversal. Look how you always, guys, always CI percentage R and price action, you identify the reversal. For people who are trading on US 30 swing, not scalp Friday, look what you can do always. This is simple. Same rule for 5-minute or for daily. Same rule. Candles. High, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low. And then it's breaking up a reversal. You have low, higher, low, and then breaking up the buy to 32,881 to 33, almost 156. That was the very big move up. Very nice move up. You could have the buy here and push up for the swing. Now, what are we expecting? We are expecting if it want to resume the move up. And here for the sell, we have the following. So if it opens now, makes a wick down, respecting the low of the previous candle, yani low, higher low, and higher low again, breaking up again, it will be a new high to be made. 33,195, 33,195, stop loss around 120, 33,120. 33,205, the scalp, of course, the TP1, 33,263, TP2, 33,367, TP3, and 33,600 will be the TP4 for the buy. Guys, please always remember, go to the pinned message on MNS Arabic. Go to the pinned message. You have a full training with Q&A also about how to trade in the right way, the weekly overview. Please do not put any order without watching this video now and watching the main video or the main training. And every person who join the MNS Arabic, they must watch this training about how to trade inside the MNS Arabic in swing, the weekly overview mainly, and the scalp at the same time for the Dow. Okay, for the sell, now if it opens, makes a wick down, first day here, second day it starts to break this big support, so we might have the sell around 32,570, 560 TP1, 33,486 TP2, 32,325 TP3, and 32,020 will be the TP4. Okay, stop loss will be around 32,650, say 50. Okay, for the gold now, nothing perfect than the gold that you are working on. Let's remove this. Elliott wave, 5 waves, ABC double top. Here we are getting ready to resume down. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Now, it retested up. Now the new support that you are working on is this. Okay, this is the new support that will help to resume the move down of the double top and the wave C of Elliott waves. هذا support. Now, as you can see, we have a high, lower high, lower high. This is a rejection here from this. So now, if it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down. إذا فتح عمل wick up وكمل نزل لتحت, breaking this low, which is 1933. Will be the entry sell. 1941 will be the stop loss. Of course, always the stop loss is manageable. It's changeable based on the previous wick on the 4-hour when the market opens. Okay. 1933, 1932 TP1, 1924 TP2, 1914 TP3, and the full target for the wave C and the double top, 1895, the move down. Okay, so here we are. Most probably we will have our push down for the gold next week. Let's see on the weekly to have a better view. As you can see, the weekly also is still bearish. Look how simple is our system. CCI percentage are breaking up. Look, the sell started, imagine. The big sell started 2000. When it broke, the CCI percentage are on higher time frame was a divergence here. And then it started to push down. If we check the monthly even, so نطلع على المonthly, we have a rejection monthly for the first time, and it's getting ready to move down. So most probably we might have a push down, a reversal down. Look, this candle breaking this low. So this is for gold. US 30. Oh, sorry, still have the buy. I think I missed the buy. For the buy, this is now the resistance here. We stay the same. If it breaks above 1986, the entry, 1978 stop loss, 1987 TP1 scalp, 1992 TP2, 2018 TP3, and 2050 will be the big TP for the full target. US oil stagnating in the middle, took the TP1 when it broke, but still stagnating mainly. So now we will have a new entry for the buy. The sell will remain fully the same. Now the buy, if it opens, makes a wick down and push up, we will have the buy like this, 74.85, TP1 74.95 scalp, 74.25 stop loss, 75.78 TP2, 77.15 TP3, and the full target will be around 79.50. For the sell, it will remain purely the same, especially by breaking this level 70.60. Bitcoin still stagnating. It's not the right time to go in. We took the TP1, of course, but you still have to wait this support to be broken now. It hit it twice. And breaking this support will be interesting for the sell, which is 25,643, TP1 around 25,379, stop loss around 26,119, TP2 24,546, TP3 23,041, TP4 20,373. Okay. So now we will move to the potential buy. We will keep it the same. GBP, JPY still pushing up as usual on the swing. We had this flag stagnation, and then it's resuming, as we said last week, up For the full swing, look what a weekly candle we had here. Look here, for example, it took twice. It took it first time TP1, then it went down, then the second time, then the third time it opened, breaking the high of the two previous candle, means that it will resume up. And this is what happened on Friday. You will get to a point, guys, where you will analyze what's happening. Like, for example, let's say if it takes the first time the TP1 and hit stop loss entry, let's say, and then hit second time TP1 and hit stop loss entry, or at 10 pips if you close half position, then you will understand that the third time it will open. Now, what do we have here? We have low, we have higher low, and now we have here higher low. If we go to the 4 hour, we'll see a stagnation at this level. Look, stagnation, but bullish one. And then here, you will check the daily. Look, today also it opened. Now it's breaking the high. Yeah, it's 172.80 of the two previous days. No, this is the push up. And then I take it. Okay. So what do we expect now from the GJ? Where is the sell? Let's start with the buy. If it opens, makes a clear wick down. I need a clear. بدي اشوفه عم بيعمل wick down مظبوطة. من بعدها ببلش يطلع, and then it start to push up 173.80 the entry, 173.80 الانتري, stop loss around 173.50 or let's say 40. 173.90 TP1 scalp, 174.35 TP2, TP3 175, and TP4 will be around 176. Bear in mind that the full target of the flag is around 174.80. So it might reach this level or less and then start to return. That's why you have to secure profits always. Close half position, put stop loss entry, close 80% of the position, put stop loss maybe at small loss 20%, and then it will be profitable for both. And then for the sell, I think we have to go to the lower time frame a little bit. No, I will be a little bit safe when it comes to the sell. I will keep it the same and wait until it breaks all the support. It should be here around the same, 171, almost 10, the sell, and pushing down like the last week. Okay, now we move to the euro dollar. Also, the euro dollar is still in a bearish move. It's still pushing down. So far, almost one way down from 110, 111 even, till 1.07. So far, 400 pips down for the euro. Big move down. We reduce again the support. The support here, we have to be careful on the daily. It's starting to make like reversals on the daily. This is critical. And if we break up the here and a reversal, it will be a buy. Hello, we'll talk about the buy, but let's start with the sell first. Let's remove this. Nonsense to leave it. Nonsense to leave it. Okay. So now, if at any point it opens, makes a wick up again, and then start to push down all the way. Now we have the sell for the euro around 107.95, stop loss around 107.25, 06 85 TP1, 0648 TP2, 0590 TP3, and 0530 TP4. Now for the buy, we need this. Look, the support area. Let's see. One second. Let's see. Now, if it opens, makes a wick up, and then start to push down. Here we have 1.06, as we said. Okay, now the buy, if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up. Here the daily is getting ready to break. If it start to break up, breaking 107.70 will be the entry TP1, 107.45 stop loss, 107.85 TP1, 108.11 TP2, 108.90 TP3, and 109.57 will be the TP4 with a stop loss around, as we said, 107.45. Let's see. So for the GBP/USD now, also as you can see, it's still pushing down on the daily. Now we have a new support. The sell was perfect this week. Now we have a new support. Also, the CI percentage are very oversold, which means at any point, if not here, if they start to break the -100 and the -80 with the price action on the 4 hours here, we can have the buy. Look. I will start with the buy. This is support 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here the buy. So now if it opens, makes a wick down on the 4 hour and start to push up, breaking 124, 1.24 with a stop loss around 123.80. 124 will be the entry, 124.10 the scalp TP1, 124.32 the TP2, 124.80 TP3, and 125.26 will be the TP4. Okay. Now for the sell, it's very clear. If it opens, makes a wick up on the 4 hour and start to push down, we'll start the sell 1.2303, stop loss around 1.2320, 25, 123.90, 122.93 the TP1, 122.80 will be the TP2, 122.30 the TP3, and 1.2195 it will be the TP4. Okay, this will be interesting. GBP/USD this week will be very interesting. AUD/USD. Now the AUD/USD also, it's still pushing down on the daily, of course, but oh my God, this is, look at this rectangle. It broke the rectangle and moved down. Now usually after rectangle we have an open. It can resume down, of course, but usually it make a retest up and then it resumes down if it wants to resume. It makes a retracement and then it retraces down after breaking this 1, 2, 3. Look, it's exactly, guys, it's exactly, this is science. This is simply science. Look, rectangle 1, 2, 3, and then pop, it's moving down. So it broke, weekly overview amazingly broke down, made the profit so far, but you have to be careful. Also, we are oversold, potential start of a reversal up. How do we know now the sell, how it will be? Now we will move down for the sell. Look, the sell, if it opens, makes a wick up, but not breaking this high, we will get to it, this high, okay? Not breaking this high. Open, makes a wick up, resumes high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then open, lower high, and then pushing down for a new lower low. The sell will start around 0.6480, stop loss around 0.6505, 64.70 TP1, 64.40 TP2, 63.90 TP3, and 63.91 will be the TP4. The full target of this rectangle will be here. From this till this will be around 0.6375. The full target expected to reach it, okay? Sometimes it reaches 75%, but this is the full target expected. Usually I go for the 75%. Now, what if we start to reverse? We have CCI percentage R on the daily, they start to push up, and then it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up, breaking this level, which is 0.6550. The entry will be stop 0.6530, 0.6560 TP1, 0.6590 TP2, 0.6606 TP3, and 0.6646 will be the TP4. Okay, so this can be a nice potential. You check on the daily CCI percentage R breaking up. You check on the 4 hour, the CCI percentage R breaking up. Sorry, the price action breaking up, and then you take the trade. Okay, this is for the buy and the sell for the. And here we have the NZUSD also. It retraced a little bit and then starting to push down again. This was the daily. It's breaking. Whoa, also big move down since 0.6308 till 6008, almost 300 pips. Now we have to check a potential reversal. If it reverses and start to push up again, also the same like here, same like AUD. If it opens, makes a wick up respecting the previous wick and then start to push down, we will have the 0.6030. Stop loss around 0.6065, 0.6020 TP1, 0.5986 TP2, 0.5928 TP3, and 0.5878 will be the TP4 with a stop loss around 0.6065. Now for the push up, of course, we go for the 4 hour time frame. This one, we bring this down. Okay, that's okay. We have to. It made the flag and went down before, so here. Okay, so if it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up, breaking this 0.61. Stop loss will be around 0.6075, 0.6110 TP1, 0.6135 TP2, 0.6170 TP3, and TP4 will be around the break of the flag 0.6222. It will be a good option for this. Okay, this is for the sell and the buy. USD CHF daily. We have this flag also. Look, we have an overbought here and potential to break down on the daily again. Let's remove this not to be confused. So we have the buy at this level, a potential buy. Here, look, the support area, very important. Resistance area, sorry. If it opens, makes here it was a support. Here it was a support. Here it was support. Look, here it was support. Here it was support. Here it was support. Here kind of resistance. And now here kind of resistance. So it's good for a daily, which means most probably it should retrace from this point down. But, okay, but if it opens, makes a wick down on the daily, and then start to push up, breaking this level, 0.9080 will be the entry, 0.9060 stop loss, 0.9795 TP1, 0.9120 TP2, 0.9160 TP3, and 0.9224 TP4. What about the sell? Simply the sell will be this way. Breaking this support here, this support area. Look on the 4 hours. We have this resistance here, this resistance here, this support here. So we move the sell for this level. Now, if it opens, makes a wick up for hour and then start to push down, the sell can start around 0.9015, stop loss around 0.9035. 90.05, the TP1 will be the scalp, 89.82 TP2, 89.43 TP3, and 88.71 will be the TP4. Okay, this will be amazing for the sell. We go for the USD CAD. USD CAD. Now we have this. Okay, so let's see on the USD CAD. It starts to retrace a little bit on the 4 hours after the push up. But now if it opens, makes a wick down and push all the way up, this will be interesting because why? This next candle on the daily will be denying this retracement, small retracement, and then we can see a more push up breaking this resistance. So it will be 136.70. 136.70 will be the entry. Stop loss around let's say 136.71. 136.41 the stop loss, 136.81 TP1, 137 will be the TP2, 137.50 TP3, and 138.20 will be the TP4. As for the sell, we need to break this low of this candle. So if the next candle opens, makes a wick up and break the previous lows too, we have a clean traffic here. So the sell will start at 135.83. Stop loss around 136.05, 73 the TP1, 39 the TP2, 134.97 the TP3, and 134.50 will be the TP4. Guys, I can see a lot of opportunities this week. في شوف فرص كتير قوية هذا الأسبوع. Don't miss this weekly overview. Make sure to watch it carefully many times. Try to use it, especially that we have a potential reversals for many places where we have the oversold and the overbought. If you do it in the right way with the news this week, I think we can make a lot of profit. Personally, I will put a close eye on it, on the scalp, of course, and on the swing, these orders, 3 pairs, and then we will resume. We'll have also tomorrow, don't forget, our Monday, it will be tomorrow, our live day update session that will be around 9 p.m. Dubai time for the main pairs. Always focus that we focus on the main pairs on Monday, which are the euro dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY, also gold, oil, and US 30. Okay, for the update. So see you guys and have an amazing week.